Here I have Vivo Y72, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume panel style on this device. So here I have my default volume panel, but you can also customize it. If you download this app Volume Styles from the Play Store, then you have to open it, tap Start, grant accessibility services permissions, and now you can pick different styles here. For example, you have this one UI, RGB, iOS one. You can also customize them, you can create your own styles, so you have a lot of different features. As you can see right now, I have this iOS volume style, but my personal favorite is this emoji one. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.